Mr. Gray, sir, I've been suffering deaths lately. I've lost loved ones. Hottie, Sheriff Abby, and, well, Mufasa. Is there any way that we can revive them? Edward, I'm afraid I can't do that. But you have to. Actually, I don't. And you know what? Deaths happen all the time. It's called nature. Nature is the way of life and death. Mr. Gray, this is serious. I mean, like, how am I going to be able to survive death? Well, you won't. You die from it. Then if I'm surviving death, why am I alive right now? I mean, when you die, you don't survive. Okay, what exactly is this about? I'm saying that this is about how life runs in the way of nature. I mean, unless Ozymandias can help you. He can help me? No. If you have a problem with death, figure out a way to solve this. It's not my problem, it's yours. I hate life. This is not how I expect things to run here.